Best KVM switches for dual monitors. Setup make it easy to control multiple computers using a single keyboard, mouse, and dual displays. Whether you are a gamer, content creator, or professional working with multiple systems, a reliable KVM switch can significantly improve productivity and reduce desk clutter. In this guide, we explore the top options that deliver smooth switching, high-resolution support, and stable performance. From budget-friendly models to premium solutions, we help you choose the right setup for your workflow. So let's get started. Let's start with the iDock C10. This is a dual-monitor KVM switch with a built-in 12-in-1 docking station designed to connect one laptop and one desktop PC. For the laptop, a single USB-C cable connects it to the entire setup. For the desktop, the connection is made through HDMI and DisplayPort, with dual HDMI output support up to 4K at 60 Hz. When you come home with a low battery, that same USB-C connection can also charge your laptop. The built-in LAN port provides a stable network connection, which can be useful during important meetings. The iDock C10 connects to two monitors and supports sharing all your peripherals. When you press the switch button, both monitors and connected devices switch together, including your keyboard, mouse, headphones, webcam, printer, hard drive, and more. EDID emulation helps keep your desktop display settings unchanged while switching between devices. In addition to the USB-A ports, there's also a USB-C charging port for devices like smartphones and tablets, plus a built-in SD card slot for transferring photos and videos. Next up is the iDock C20. This model is designed for users who switch between a home laptop and a work laptop. When you bring your work laptop home, a single USB-C cable connects it to your entire desk setup. Both laptops can share dual monitors, a keyboard, mouse, and other accessories without needing to reconnect devices. Both laptops also charge when connected. The built-in LAN connection helps maintain a stable network connection, and switching can be done either through the front button or the included wired remote. Like the C10, the iDock C20 supports EDID, helping maintain consistent display settings while switching. You also get 6 USB-A ports, a front USB-C charging port, and an SD card slot for quick media transfers. For users who prefer a cleaner workspace, the iDock C20 supports clamshell mode, allowing the laptop to remain closed while using external monitors. If your setup consists of two desktops, the 8KSW21D PDM is designed specifically for that purpose. This DisplayPort KVM Switch allows you to switch between two desktops and two monitors using DisplayPort connections. It supports dual monitor setups with DisplayPort inputs and outputs for high-quality visuals. The package includes the necessary DisplayPort cables, so you don't have to purchase them separately. The Switch also supports high resolutions and refresh rates, making it suitable for ultra-wide monitor setups. For gaming, support for VRR and G-Sync helps reduce screen tearing and stuttering. There are 3 ways to switch between PCs: the front button, keyboard hotkeys, or the included IR remote. All connected peripherals move together during switching, including keyboards, mice, headphones with mic input and line out, and other USB devices. An HDMI version is also available for users who prefer HDMI connections. Finally, there's the iDock B30. This model is designed for setups with 3 computers, specifically 2 desktops and 1 laptop. The 2 desktops connect through HDMI, while the laptop connects using a USB-C cable. That USB-C connection powers the laptop and connects it to dual monitors, peripherals, and a stable LAN connection. The iDock B30 supports 3 switching methods: the front button, keyboard hotkeys, and the IR remote. Whether you're switching between desktops and a laptop throughout the day, the system allows everything to stay connected and ready to switch when needed. That wraps up our list of the best KVM switches for dual monitor setups. Choosing the right one depends on your resolution needs, number of connected devices, and overall workflow. Whether you go for a budget option or a premium model, the right choice will greatly improve your daily setup. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.